Very good morning to all of you. Welcome back in your English class. Hope you all will find at your home. Students, today we will do the question answers of chapter 1, Why Meena Could Not Sleep. But first of all, we will revise the chapter. One night Meena could not sleep. She thought that the moon was laughing at her, and he was saying to her that he knows everything. Then she says to the moon that don't look at me like that. You don't know anything what happened in the morning. Then she again tried to go back to sleep, and then the clock went tick tock tick tock. Meena thought that the clock was saying, I know, I know. So she said to the clock that you are in my room and you don't know anything. You don't know what happened in the kitchen. Meena's voice woke up the parrot. He called out. Then the Meena thought that the parrot was saying he knows. So she said to the parrot that you naughty parrot, you don't know anything. You were in grandmother's room, so you don't know anything. At that time, her pet kitty came to her. Then the Meena said that, yes, kitty, you know everything. Then she realized her mistake and she ran to her mother and said to her mother that, mother, I am sorry. I was very naughty today and I ate up the cake, and after eating the cake, I set the kitty in the kitchen to make you think that kitty did it. Then her mother was very happy to hear this, that Meena realized her mistake. So now we will do our question answers. So students, be ready with your pencil and your notebook and start writing with me. Revision of chapter 1, question and answer. What is the name of chapter 1? The name of chapter 1 is Why Meena Could Not Sleep. Now start writing question number 1. What did Meena see when she looked out of the window? मीना ने क्या देखा जब उसने विंडो के बाहर देखा? So write down the answer. Meena saw the moon when she looked out of the window. मीना ने मून को देखा जब she looked out of the window, जब उसने खिड़की से बाहर देखा. Now leave one line and start writing question number 2. Why was Meena not able to sleep? मीना सोने में समर्थ क्यों नहीं हो सकी या मीना क्यों नहीं सो पाई थी? So the answer is Meena was not able to sleep. मीना सो नहीं पा रही थी because क्योंकि she was feeling sad about what happened in the morning. क्योंकि वो उसे बहुत दुख महसूस हो रहा था. What happened क्या हुआ था in the morning सुबह में, यानी सुबह में जो भी हुआ था उसको सोचकर वो बहुत दुख महसूस कर रही थी. इसलिए मीना वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. मीना सो नहीं पा रही थी. नाउ लीव वन लाइन एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Why was Meena sorry? Question. Why was Meena sorry? मीना सॉरी क्यों थी? So the answer is Meena was sorry because she ate up the cake that was on the plate. She ate up the cake. क्योंकि उसने केक खाया था. That was on the plate, जो कि प्लेट में था. That's why she was sorry, क्योंकि इसीलिए उसे सॉरी महसूस हो रही थी. Now leave one line and start writing question number 4. How did mother know who ate the cake? माँ को कैसे पता चला कि किसने केक खाया? So the answer is mother knew that Meena ate the cake because Kitty would never leave a spoon on the plate. मदर जान गई कि मीना एट द केक, मीना ने केक खाया है, बिकॉज क्योंकि किटी वुड नेवर लीव अ स्पून ऑन द प्लेट, किटी कभी भी चम्मच नहीं छोड़ेगी ऑन द प्लेट, प्लेट में. किटी इज अ एनिमल. एनिमल्स डोंट यूज द spoon. So kitty would never leave the spoon on the plate. So students, these are 4 question answers. We have done revision of these question answers in our fair notebook. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone. Be safe and take care.